Whoa, check out this super cool parking garage playset. I wonder what's inside. Let's see what's inside the blue garage. Oh no, the door is locked. What about the white one? Uh-oh, it looks like the white garage is locked too. How about the red? Oh no, they're all locked. What will we do now? Where'd that come from? It looks like we have some keys. We have a red key, a white key, and a blue key. Wait a minute. They're the same colors as the garages. Let's see if maybe they'll open them up. Let's see. Yes! It worked! Let's see who we have inside. Oh, it looks like we have a blue car. Beep beep! The blue car has a small blue wheel and a big blue wheel. It also has yellow windows. Now let's see who's inside the white garage. Hopefully the white key will open it. Whoa! It did! It's a school bus! The school bus is yellow and it has a stop sign that comes out and goes back in. Beep beep! Whoa! I can't wait to see who's hiding inside the red garage. Let's see. It's a red fire truck. Whoa! And he has a white ladder that goes up really, really high. Super cool. Okay, blue car, back inside you go. Yellow school bus, back inside you go. And red fire truck, back inside you go. Red. What happens if we put a red gumball inside the microwave? We get a red fire truck. The red fire truck has a number 1 on him. Now, what happens if we put a yellow gumball inside the microwave? We get a yellow school bus. The yellow school bus has a number 2 on him. Now let's see what happens if we put a green gumball inside the microwave. Whoops! Let's try that again. We get a green garbage truck. The green garbage truck has a number 3 on him. Beep beep. I wonder what will happen if we put a blue gumball inside the microwave. Will we get another blue vehicle? Let's see. Of course! We get a blue police car. The police car has a number 4 on him. Now, let's see what happens if we put a white gumball inside the microwave. Who will we get this time? Of course! The white ambulance! The ambulance has a number 5 on him. Here we have red fire truck, yellow school bus, green garbage truck, blue police car, and a white ambulance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yum! That's a lot of ice cream. Ice cream. It says here we have vanilla flavor, chocolate, strawberry, and mint chocolate chip. Yum! Let's take a closer look. Here's a brown scoop. That's chocolate. Here's a pink scoop. That's strawberry. Here is a green scoop with brown sprinkles. That's mint chocolate chip. And here is a white scoop. That has to be vanilla. Cone. Cone. How about some mint chocolate chip with chocolate? Mmm, sounds delicious. Yum, it is. How about some vanilla with strawberry? Mmm. Let's give this one a try. Yum. Here we have another ice cream cone. Then we have a blue scoop of ice cream. That has to be blueberry. Red has to be cherry. Green has to be lime. Brown has to be chocolate. Blue has to be cotton candy. White, probably vanilla. Yellow, most likely lemon. Pink, strawberry. Orange, orange. And purple, grape. Yum! Check out all the colorful scoops of ice cream. It looks super yummy. I love ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? I like them all. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Let's check out the colors. Here's a purple one. And here's a red one. Now it's pink. And now it's yellow. Purple, red, pink, yellow. Green, blue, blue, green, green, blue, blue, green, blue, red, yellow, green, red, blue, yellow, green, green, purple, blue, pink, green, purple, blue, pink, red, green, yellow, blue, green, red, blue, yellow, purple, blue, pink, green, purple, blue, pink, green. Which one's your favorite? I think I like purple that goes to pink. Purple, pink, purple, pink. Yellow. Yellow school bus. Yellow monster school bus. Beep, beep. Blue. Blue beetle. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Red. Red fire truck. Wee, wee, wee. green, green excavator or digger. Dig, 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 dig. Yellow, green, blue. Excavator, fire truck, blue beetle, monster truck, monster school bus. Check out all the squishy balls! Let's count them and see how many you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squishy balls. That's a lot of squishy balls. Here's a red one. Here's a purple one. Now it's yellow. And now it's pink. Green, red, blue, yellow, blue, green, green, blue, red, purple, yellow, pink, blue, green, green, blue, purple, blue, pink, green. Lots and lots of colorful color changing squishies. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. Ice cream scooper. Vanilla. Chocolate. Mint chocolate chip. Strawberry. White. Pink. Brown. Green. Big ice cream. Yum. Red. Blue. Brown. Blue. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Purple. Green. White. Lots of ice cream. Squishy balls. Let's check out the colors we have. Here's a blue one, but when we squeeze, it's green. Here's a purple one. When we squeeze, it's pink. Here's a red one, but when we squeeze, it's yellow. Here's a green one, but when we squeeze, it's blue. Red, yellow, purple, pink, blue, green, purple, pink, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, blue, green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squishy balls. Purple, blue, sky, pink, Marshall, purple, green, yellow, black, green, yellow, pink plunger, blue plunger, gray plunger, wow, it's a car carrier! And there are lots of cool vehicles on this car carrier. Let's see what they are. Carefully. Almost there. There we go. Now let's see what all of these vehicles are. Here we have a crane. Whoopsies! You just have to wait there. This is a crane. Check him out. He is orange, yellow, and green. Stand right there. Here we have an excavator. This excavator is yellow, green, and blue. He has a cute smiley face. See? Now let's see who's our next vehicle. It's a police car. It's a blue police car. Here are the sirens. Now let's see who's this guy. This is a red fire truck. He's red. Here's his ladder and the sirens. And check out the car carrier. He is green. Super cool. So we have the green car carrier, green crane, yellow, green, and blue excavator, blue police car, and the red fire truck. Wow!